Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is about Acharya group of institution and I'm going to talk about the complete details about this college. Before that, this is located in Solodinilly area of Bangalore. So one of the key highlights is it has got a quite good infrastructure like 120 acres of sprawling campus with all the facilities. So they have 100 plus programs, right? They have 70 plus industry partnership with major companies in India, and I will talk about them later in this video. And they have 1,000 plus distinguished faculty. So these are not just Acharya Institute of Technology but across all Acharya group colleges, right? It's from 75 different nationalities or countries are studying here and spending a good amount of time in a skill building with the global immersion programs, which are the key highlights here. And it's a completely tech enabled campus and provides for good great infrastructure for sports, I'll say. So they say nobody plays gully cricket in Acharya. The reason is that they have Olympic size stadium, right? And 30 plus outdoor and indoor items are there, and 4 acres are only for the sporting amenities, right? So campus events also, they do have a good amount of fest across year. The Acharya Habba is the main fest there. And now talking about the institute, so in Acharya Institute of Technology, as you know, so if you talk about courses which are there specifically in Acharya Institute of Technology, AIT, so BE programs, they offer in the areas of aeronautical engineering, artificial intelligence and machine learning, the biotechnology, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, and CSC with data science specialization, electrical and communication engineering, ECE, information science engineering, mechanical engineering, and the mechatronics engineering. So those are B courses. And postgraduate program, they offer in AIT itself MBA affiliated to VTU and MCA also affiliated to VTU. So talking about the admission process, so first I will start with domestic admission. Indian students can take admission through different entrance exam. So if you are looking for engineering admissions, you can get admission through KSET exam or CET exam for Karnataka domicile students, and for all other students who are at India level, national level students, they can get admission through comedk. They also have, the management quota, 25% of seats in the engineering, which you can get admission through management quota. And students who are looking for admission to MBA and MCA programs, they can get admission through PGCET exam, which is Karnataka Postgraduate Common Entrance Test. So these are the direct admission hotline numbers. You can directly call them and get in touch with that. And for the NRI students, they have their own Acharya entrance test, right? AET, and provided with some scholarship, and you can join under the NRI quota for different courses which I have just mentioned. So for all domestic inquiries, admissions at acharya.in, international students, a WhatsApp number is also provided here. And also talking about the hostel accommodation, so it provides for hostel facilities which has around 12 halls of residences, and it can accommodate 1500 students. So talking about, there are 5 residences for boys and 7 hostels for girls, and they offer single, double, triple occupancy rooms, right? And all the amenities and facilities I have already spoken. You also get the laundry services on the fees basis, and fees varies from a room type, right? So depending on which room type and facility you take. For that, you should also know the type of recruiters which are visiting, though they may not be the mass recruiters, but there are IT companies like Infosys, TCS, Team, and MU Sigma. Then there are other group companies like Volvo, which is automobile, Bosch, which is also in engineering segment, Atkins, which is in aerospace, and some others like Adobe, which may be the niche recruiter. Other companies which are visiting like Cognizant, Capgemini, Entity, Zorient, all of these are IT companies. Also Emphasis, Mindtree, they have mentioned. Subex is also an IT company. Now let's talk about the NIRF placement details which they have disclosed to the NIRF for ranking purpose. So you can now see the last 3-year performance, and you will know if you want to join this college, right? So if you see 2022 passing batch, right, that time 787 students were eligible to participate in placements, but total number of students are more than 1000. So only 787 were eligible, out of which only 523 got placed. So placements is never any time above 50%. It's less than 50% placement with the median salary of just 4 lakhs. In the next year also, you can see in 2023 batch 634 students eligible out of almost 1100 to 1200 students, and eligible and placed are only 456. So its placements are not at all increasing, median salaries are not at all increasing. 4 lakhs median salary. And in 2024 batch also, you can see only showing 629 eligible and only 460 got placed. So none of the numbers are increasing, which are the number of placed students, and not the median salary increased only to 4.1 lakhs, which is too low for doing engineering through KSET, even comedk, which is high fees, and in the management quota also. So I will not go for this college and try to skip unless you get computer science, information science, and ECE. Only top 3 branches you can do. After these 3 branches, it is better not to do here, right? So that's all my update. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar updates on all colleges in Karnataka.